do to you?
I believe when a woman leaves, it's because she has tried for years to save it, and now she's done, and then the husband suddenly realizes there was a problem, because it wasn't a problem for him. He wasn't listening.
All of this clear? She probably never said the word, because she tried to describe thoroughly how much of a problem it is without using the word problem. Let me give you a
I stood on this thing. I'm not that heavy. I'm only like 140, but like I've stood on it no problem to like use it as a step stool. I've had it for over a year now. It's sturdy. It's DEWALT, so you know you can expect quality from it. And yeah, I'd recommend this. 10 out of 10.
I made mine into a little Bluetooth speaker, 4-speaker way, little job site speaker using the Bluetooth amp. Worked pretty good. Sounds good with a DEWALT battery.
Ya no, gracias.